One of our customers, a large dental practice with about 40 offices in central United States, told us that if you just solve one problem for me, I'm ready to pay any amount of money for it, right? And we asked them, what is that problem? And they said that we miss 100,000 phone calls every month. At a very top level, what our mission is that we want to make sure that healthcare access becomes easier and easier, especially in the United States. If you try to call a doctor today, it's in all likelihood you will see that the doctor will say, hey, I only have an appointment 3 weeks out or 6 weeks out. But if you go back and talk to the doctor is going to say that, no, I do have an opening and I want to see patients now. And we went back and interviewed hundreds of practices in the United States. And everybody told us this is a problem. People are calling in for appointment, but you're not able to pick up those calls because either they're calling after hours, on weekends, or you're just so busy. A team member can only answer one phone call at a time, but they can probably answer 10 text messages simultaneously at the same time. That's where SMS is really coming in and changing that approach and saying that calling is not the only way. Where Bandwidth helps us grow is that if I have to go from 25 to 250 customers, I cannot do that at the back of human resources because it's not scalable. And that's where Bandwidth comes in with their support, with their expertise. By taking care of a lot of these things, Bandwidth is always ahead of the curve in terms of product delivery and new things that keep coming up. We're basically not having to build everything one by one. We've reduced no-shows by 90%. We've reduced level 1 calls by more than 50% with the help of AI today and SMS. And of course, we've been able to generate 20% uplift in revenue overall. Bandwidth baked so many things into the product, like reports, why are your messages failing? Or why are your messages succeeding? Compared to thinking about building everything ourselves and thinking that, hey, we will deliver this in timelines of 6 months, 10 months. We deliver things in weeks. And that's the competitive advantage that we have because of Bandwidth.